Looking for a quick video to set up a rule-based lineage in CDGC? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's begin with Metadata Command Center. We can directly go to the Configure option and select the Lineage tab. Under that, select Link Catalog Source option. Here you will see an option to create the link catalog source by clicking this plus icon. For the demo purpose, I've already created a configuration here. Link Catalog Source Configuration. Under the Registration tab, you can fill up the name, click on Next. Here you will be setting up the source catalog and target catalog source detail where you are trying to create the rule-based lineage. This is specifically for the relational sources. Once this is set up, you can directly click on Next. Here, you can select the linking method. You have to select the linking method as rule-based linking. You can just directly select on that and rule type. You can either select name matching or expression and set the rule condition based upon your requirement. I will show you the things here. So, in my case, there's a source and target having _src and tgt as a suffix. This will help removing this portion and I'll be just running it. Once the execution is completed, you should be able to see the lineage on the DGC section. Thank you.